Thina siyaya kwa-Ace sodla inyama wena uyi. Awukwazi ukuya. Umuye ufuna kufonela kwa-Ace kureserve itafula. Table of 6. Kuzodla wena wedwa laba abanye abantu bazoba ngenyaba akugadile because uyasaba. You are no longer happy. Engisho ukuthi we as izinyanga we have to be careful ukuthi siphushele abantu ezithwaleni ngoba sazi ukuthi once sabanika isithwalo it is an exchange with his happiness or happiness. Siyithathile injabulo ke ngeke uphinde ube happy. Never happy again. Akekho umuntu omaziyo ngakini othwele umfice egarage ekhawashe washa imoto bekumfica akusondelwa kuyena umuntu usondela kuyena bafika insizwe ezo4 uthi sicela ume lapha bhuti omdala sicela ume lapha bhuti omdala abekho happy labo bantu engisho ukuthi ungayigijimeli into ezothatha injabulo yakho it's worth more than gold as long as you are happy. Happiness is not from dark but is from God, and a person okunika isithwalo removing something that you are given by God, the Almighty, the creator of the universe and the earth. That person is devil himself, because he's removing what makes you happy. Abantu abathweleke abajabulanga. But I guess ikhulumeni lento. This is not politics, this is babu dokotela. I need you to tell me the truth on comments. What makes a person a foreigner in any country, or especially in South Africa? What makes a person a foreigner? Or a foreigner, anyone from Lesotho in South Africa is regarded as a foreigner. Okay, because it's from Lesotho, he's a foreigner. From Swaziland, he's a foreigner. What makes a person a citizenship of South Africa? That is a problem. Because a person ozalelwe la in South Africa, you regard him as a citizenship or still a foreigner. After staying in South Africa for 30 years, we are still a foreigner. After staying in South Africa for 40 years, we're still a foreigner. I don't know. I need answers. Because at the end of the day, Indians and whites are still foreigners. Because they are not called Africans, they are called Indians in South Africa. They are still called Indians in South Africa, which means they are foreigners. But you'll never hear any violence facing them. But they are still foreigners. To be an African, it is a curse in Africa. It's better to be an African